What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play More Love by Juice WRLD. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'm gonna show you Auntie some more love and take her ass out for a night on the town. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning and it's just got two different chords that repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. First chord you need is going to be an A minor, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, ring finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, index finger on the 1st fret of the B string. And then you need a C major. Leave your middle finger and your index finger exactly where they are. Take your ring finger off, put it on the 3rd fret of the A string. So you got 3, 2, 1. Once you get those chords down, you just need your strumming pattern, and I will let you know we're going to be using a little transition chord in between the two. So you're going to go A minor, then you can put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and you can take your ring finger off too, so it's just 2nd fret A, 1st fret B, and then C, and your strumming pattern is down, 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 up, 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 down. So where I'm switching there is down, 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 up, 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 down. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Don't forget to follow me on social media. It's at Billy Schultz Music on all social media platforms. Also, don't forget to check the video descriptions for the free ebook, a free capo, and the guitar tab if the song had a guitar tab. You can click here for how to win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.